How to create a public group on Facebook. So first of all, launch Facebook application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. From here, go to the category of groups. Once you come here on top, you can see a plus button. Tap on it. Now from here, tap on Create a Group option. Once you come here, start by entering the name of your group first. After this, choose the privacy of your group. So since we are creating a public group, make sure you choose the option of public. Then tap on Done. Now, if you choose the option of public, anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. Also, depending on your group size and age, you might be able to change it to private later as well. After that, go ahead and tap on Create option. Now, with that, you would be able to create your group. In order to invite people to your group, you can share your group to your story, or you can also invite people through email as well. Once you do so, just tap on Next. You can add a cover picture on your group as well. Then tap on Next. You can also add a description what your group is about. You can tap on Next after you describe your group. Now, you can also make a post for your group. Then tap on Done. And with that, you will successfully be able to create a public group on Facebook. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.